No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a long journey ahead of us, and it's time to bring a new project to the channel. Now I'm not saying what it is yet or giving any clues away, but it's a bit of a barn find, as you'd call it. It's not moved for 4 years. It's in a garage covered in dust. So we're going to head down to Kent now to collect it. So the Land Rover's ready to go. Completed all the checks. The trailer's on. Stay tuned guys to find out what it is. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you along the way. Lay it up, even got the gloves on, see your breath. It's absolutely freezing. And of course, we've got no bloody heating in the Land Rover. But it'll soon warm up anyway. The sun will be out today. Nose is running already. Right, so a little bit of background. It's not been MOT'd for around 3 to 4 years. It's been in a garage, it's been stood that long. And the reason being is the unfortunate circumstance that the owner sadly passed away that time ago. So as far as I'm aware, the car was all working, kept in a garage, so I'm hoping it's a nice clean example. And then, like I say, the owner passed away, and the family was obviously finding it hard to let the car go. Now, as time's gone on, the car has then been put up for sale. So I'm hoping that it's going to run okay. I don't dare start it straight away because it's been sat for so long. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to, hopefully the brakes aren't seized. It's a possibility, but what we're going to have to do is drag it out the garage, get it onto the trailer by the winch, and basically get it home for now. And then what we'll do is we will get it into the garage and get the oil changed, have a look at the oil, possibly some new spark plugs, give it a service. It's going to need a new battery, and then what we do from there is basically go for a start up and see if it runs, and then we can start doing, if it does, we can start doing other service items, and then look at getting, gonna have to get the tyres changed because they've been stud, no doubt they're old, and then look at getting the car restored. So it's going to be an exciting time for the channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, follow the journey of the new project car. Like I say, I'm not going to give too much away at the moment. I could give you some clues. It's blue. It's got 5 wheels, including the steering wheel. It's got 3 doors. The engine is a petrol. Its engine is bigger than a 2 litre, and that's all I'm going to say. You're going to have to keep watching the video to find out. So we're going to carry on with this journey. I'll just stuck fuel in. £80 got us 47 litres. Daylight robbery. I'm just waiting for this car to shift next to me, and then we can get on the road. I've got my gloves on, my jacket on. It's freezing in here, guys. Right guys, so we're somewhere on the M1, Watford Gap Services just to be precise. Need a quick toilet stop and we'll be back shortly. I spy something beginning with T. Tunnel! I've got some old videos on the channel of coming through here in the Focus years and years ago. That wasn't the exhaust banging, that was the trailer bouncing. Here we go, Watford crossing. It's a bit foggy up there. Climbing now into the mountains. Climbing into the clouds. Just going over the water now. And I'd say this is the highest peak right now. Any protesters today? No, we're all good. Start to come back down. I felt like you could get a bit of a nosebleed up there.
what, mate?
Right guys, so it's out after 4 years. Just a quick look at it. I don't want to spoil it too much because we'll be doing a full video coming soon on a walk round and having a look round it. So it's time to get it loaded onto the truck. Brakes off, ready to go. So guys, that's the car all loaded. Just pulled around the corner just to get sorted and out the way. So yeah, it's 3 hours on the way back now. 3 hours to home. Fingers crossed. So yeah, as you saw, basically we winched the car on. Didn't want to risk starting it after it had not been started for 4 years. So there's many videos coming to the channel, guys. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because we've got plans for this car. I'm going to do another video on a walk around and talk about the plans on it. But basically, yeah, it's a nice standardish looking car. It's got a couple of bits on it, but like I say, we'll talk through that on the next video. And obviously there's going to be more videos. It's going to be going to Auto Mods. We'll get it up on the ramp, have a look underneath, etc. And yeah, we'll get it all sorted. Get the oil changed, some new spark plugs, get a service done, and we'll be all good. There's one for your outtakes. Fucking back door just flew open. I blame her. You had one thing to do. Right 2 lanes it said, didn't it?
Yeah. Use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right to stay on A282.
Here we go. You ready to go underwater? And the tunnel.
Yeah.
Dartford Crossing.
Don't like neither.
God, that is up there though. Crazy. So we've just had to stop to top the fuel up, and I'm absolutely shocked at the price I've just paid for diesel. £1.95.9 for a litre. Jesus. Anyway, we're on the home straight, guys. See you soon. Right guys, we made it back on the trailer, no problems. Land Rover's done us proud, and if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much. As I mentioned before, please like and subscribe to the channel, as it does really help it grow, and who knows where we might get to one day. We might be able to get something like this, do it up and give it away to the subscribers like others do. But for now, thank you all for your support, and loads more videos coming soon. I'll see you on the next one, guys.